What is going on, everybody? James Neville-Taylor here, and I'm here today with Alvaro Salgado, the mastermind behind the Builderall Mansion, and today we're going to be talking about the Builderall Mansion, so stay tuned.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Pulse speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out, but we live it. Mess around.
Everybody, and welcome to the Builderall Mansion.
What's going on, Alvaro? Thanks for coming here today, speaking with me on the show.
I appreciate that.
Awesome. It's brilliant to have you here again. So you and Brad were the masterminds behind the Builderall Mansion.
Yeah, I mean, we had the idea, but we had the whole team working together to do that amazing event. We had Chris doing the welcome bags. We had some of the designers doing all the designs for the banners. So it was a team effort.
Yeah, absolutely. So how did you get the idea for the mansion in the first place?
Well, we were sitting here in this room thinking about what we could do differently to launch Builderall 3.0. So they were thinking about webinars. They were thinking about doing a giveaway. And I wanted to do something different for the top affiliates. So I just said, why don't we rent a mansion and just do a huge event? And I said that completely joking. I was like, yeah, we'll just rent a mansion and do an event with everybody.
Nice.
I did that joking, right?
And Eric just ran with it.
Eric and Brad looked at me and they're like, let's do it.
Why not? Go big or go home, right? That was awesome.
And
so the main point of the Builderall Mansion was just to celebrate with the top affiliates. Was there any other kind of big main?
We wanted to do something to promote Builderall 3.0, to promote the new tools for the rest of the year. So we wanted to do something big. We wanted to do some amazing videos so we could promote it for months. And we actually did it. We have some drone footage. We have some drone footage. We have some really cool footages with the car, the pool, with everybody. You have you seen the video, the promo video?
Yeah, I have on Facebook. Yeah, really, really cool.
That's one part of the video, right? We have another videos. We have a couple more videos coming in, and at the end of the day, it worked. Everybody was promoting the video. We got a bunch of new affiliates. We got a bunch of new users with the video. Everybody is working hard now so they could go to the next Builderall Mansion.
Yeah, absolutely.
So in the end of the day, the purpose was to motivate people to work hard so they could attend the other event. It was to motivate the affiliates that were already working hard. So let's get the top affiliates and give them something nice because they've been working hard the whole year. We want to do something for them. So it was also to celebrate the Builderall 3.0 launch, which was amazing. The new tools, the canvas, the new design is awesome, and to create content so we could promote for months and months.
Absolutely, and you got a lot of good content there. You had camera crews, the drone footage, and everyone else was going around with their cameras as well. I got a lot of good footage, and I've been putting that up on my YouTube channel. So I got tons of good footage from that, and hours and hours and hours of video. It was really, really cool. So how many camera crews did you actually have at the mansion?
We had, I was recording with my own camera to do my vlogs, to do my pictures, and for Builderall as well. We had a crew recording the whole event, and we had a couple of other people recording with their phones. It was one crew, me, Brad, recording, and a couple other people recording with their phones.
So yeah, lots of footage. So we had quite a lot of fun, and some funny things went on at the mansion.
Yeah.
And a lot of it got caught on camera. So what was your favourite part of the mansion overall?
I think I only started enjoying the mansion really in the last day.
Right.
Yeah, but it was super fun throwing the water bucket at Marco. You were supposed to be there.
I was supposed to be there.
Yeah.
I'd vanished somewhere.
I told Shelly, I was like, Shelly, come here. What? Let's do a prank on Marco and James. She's like, yeah, what do you want to do? Like, you go outside, you get them really close to the pool. I'm going to throw a water bucket on top of them, right? With a lot of ice. She's like, I got you. Let's do it. And like 1 minute later, she's like, do you want me to get Wazili involved? I'm like, yes. Get Wazili too. I don't know where you went, but we only got Wazili and Marco.
Yeah.
Where were you?
I think I was out front shooting a video or something, or maybe doing an interview in the theatre with. I think I was doing an interview in the theatre with Chad actually at the time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Run the footage over here of the bucket.
Yeah. I'll have to show you that. I have to grab the footage off you so you
so
can see
funny.
that. That was really funny.
Each other. And Alvaro, I would run.
Yeah, so I'm kind of glad that I wasn't there for that one.
Well, I got Marco real good.
Yeah. I did see the footage.
He threw me in the pool twice.
He got you back, right? Yeah. And yeah, Shelley said, Shelley did a really good job of getting Marco to the pool. Like, Marco was like, he had no idea, like not even a little smirk on her face. Like she had him completely fooled. So yeah, that was really, really funny. I think my favourite part was when I was on the live getting thrown in the pool. That was funny. And then Marco's reaction to realising we were actually live when he did it. Yeah, you can hear him on the video. He was like, "No!" It's really, really funny. So yeah, that was really awesome. So that was your favourite fun part of the weekend, of the week. What was your favourite like part overall with the masterminding and stuff like that?
I loved the social media blitz. So we got everybody in the same place in front of the house to create content.
Yeah.
So everybody got a little bit of content for them to use it on their own, and we got a lot of good content for us to use in the next couple of videos in Builderall.
Yeah, that was awesome. I really enjoyed that too. So, out of everything, do you think that everything went perfectly? Everything went completely to plan? No, no, it never does.
I forgot the schedule right here.
Oh wow!
It was the third day. I'm like, what was the schedule again? I forgot the schedule. It's like you had one job, dude. You only had to grab the schedule, and I forgot. So it was the third day. I forgot the schedule, and I remembered a little bit, and I wanted to do a web awards. I wanted to do the certificate giveaway, and I wanted to do the mastermind. I wanted everybody to speak for 10 minutes.
Right.
But I think everybody had a little bit more to drink. Everybody was tired. Nobody wanted to do it. So that's something that we didn't do. We didn't get to do those 3 activities. But next time, I think we'll get to do those activities. We'll be a little bit more organized.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's what you think you could have improved upon, just the organisation a little bit. Yeah, absolutely. But overall, you're happy with how it turned out?
Oh yeah, I'm very happy. Everybody loved it. I had no complaints at all. Everybody's still posting videos. I see a new video every day on Facebook. Yeah. There's a lot of content. People are super happy. People are super motivated. People that had a Builderall but they've never posted anything are starting to post some stuff on YouTube, some stuff on Facebook. They are trying to promote more so they could go there next year. So I see a huge positive impact on the community right now.
Yeah, absolutely. I totally agree. So your show actually premiered at the Builderall Mansion, your new show, Alvaro Explains It All. Yeah. And we all had so much fun at that. It was an absolute blast. And this guy's putting out some really, really good content. Like he's got a really good editing team, and his show is absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
So definitely check that out. And where can we check that out? Where can we find your new show?
You can go on the Builderall YouTube channel, search it up, Alvaro Explains It All. You can find it on YouTube. Just search it up, Alvaro Explains It All, or go to the Builderall YouTube channel.
Awesome. So David Sharp actually made a surprise appearance at the mansion on, I think it was day 2 or day 3. Did you know about that, or was Eric?
Yeah, I knew it.
You knew about that, okay? Because he was hiding it from everyone else. I didn't know if he was like the only one who knew, but no, you knew about it.
No, he told me, Dave Sharp is gonna go over there. We're gonna talk, and we'll see what's gonna happen. We don't know if we're going to get him as the sales director in Builderall.
Yeah.
But he's gonna be there. I didn't know he was. I wasn't sure if he was going to become the sales director.
Yeah.
But I knew he was there.
You knew he was going to be there, yeah. Like I woke up in the morning and someone was like, "Oh, did you know that Dave's here?" I was like, "What, really?" I was like, "No way!" It's like crazy. I had no idea that he was going to be there. It was really, really cool. So I think the only question left to ask, and I think everyone else is wondering it as well, is when is the next one?
It's gonna be next year, guys.
Next year? Anything a bit more specific?
Next year, in like 12 months.
In like 12 months. 12 months, 6 months, 9 months, somewhere around that.
I don't know. Because here's the thing. We don't know how many people are going to qualify for the Builderall Mansion.
Yeah, I'm already qualified. So.
Oh yeah, I know you are. Yeah, we have to check a few months before.
Yeah.
But we might do it next year about the same time.
Okay. Is it going to be the Builderall Mansion next year, or is it going to be the Builderall Yacht Party?
Dude, come on, you're spoiling the surprise. Come on, James.
Onwards and upwards, though. Right? If we get enough people, we could have the Builderall Ferry. Just rent out a whole ferry. I think there's some.
And a cruise is way cooler, right?
Yeah, definitely. Private yacht party would be even cooler.
That will be a little bit expensive.
That would be more like 2,000 or 3,000 per person. But yeah, whatever it is, I'm sure it's going to be awesome with you and Brad behind the wheel.
Brad is doing a great job, dude.
Yeah.
Brad is an awesome guy. The thing that I like about Brad is that I have an idea and immediately he says, let's do it. He's that guy who takes action. He doesn't wait till next week. He doesn't wait till Monday. He says, you want to do it, let's do it right now.
Absolutely. And he doesn't just say, let's do it, and then just let it slide. It's like, let's do it and get straight on.
Yeah, when I had the idea, I was joking, but then he said, you know what, let's do it. I'm like, okay. He's like, go, rent the mansion. I'm like, oh, right now? Yeah, do it, come on. Go find it.
Get it done.
It was like the same day.
Wow, that's awesome. Action taker right there. That's what you want around you. Surround yourself with action takers. That's awesome. So yeah, I think that's everything I've got for you. Thanks for being on the show, man.
Thank you.
It's always a pleasure talking to you, my brother. Awesome.
Right.
So yeah, behind the scenes of the Builderall Mansion by one of the masterminds behind the whole show. So make sure you tune in again, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification to be updated on any of my other interviews and updates from the Builderall Mansion. Thanks guys, see you next time.
Wait. Let me plug my Instagram here so you guys can see my beautiful face on Instagram. Alvaro Salgado. There we go. Thank you, James.
Alvaro Salgado. Thank you, man. Awesome. See you next time, guys. Take care.